Robinhood just released a new L2 and it is everything you wanted Coinbase to do with Base, but better. Already having a six-figure runner called CashCat, and we have been absolutely printing. We bridged early. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you how to bridge early, where I'm personally trading, what I'm looking at, and why I believe this is not a flash in the pan like Monad or Mega ETH, but it's a Base 2.0, just a lot better. I've bridged to Robinhood. Have you? As always, none of this ever financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and always do your own research. Now, let's get into how I am trading. You'd love to see it. Millionaires made overnight. CashCat. Look at this. Wouldn't you have loved to be in it? Look at Hoodrat. Wouldn't you have loved to be in it? Well, we were. We were in since, a little over a million, did absolutely great. We've rotated out of some positions. If you ever want to know, what we're trading, why we're trading it, then feel free to join the Discord. I'll leave a link down below. Less than $2 a day. It's the best investment you could make in yourself for an overall finance Discord that has crypto trading and stocks. I teach people technical analysis. I absolutely would love to see you there. But we're trading over on FOMO. And the beauty of FOMO is they just make it so easy for retail. In fact, they're onboarding so much retail that the app glitches sometimes. There's so much volume. And I'm not sponsored by FOMO. Would love to be, but I am not. But you can see, I started this account to show that it's possible to bring $500 to 100K. And over the last month, you see since May 12th, May 13th, we've grown this portfolio a lot, all in the public eye and all with my Discord understanding what's happening first. We had this trade, 5K. This was actually more of a 5K trade. It's just reporting it from the time I transferred over to FOMO. But if you're someone that wants to trade and not have to worry about bridging, anything like that, FOMO's easy because you just deposit. You can even use Apple Pay and everything. It doesn't matter if it's Solana, Base, Robinhood, Monad, you just click buy, right? They make it super easy to onboard people. So I will leave that promotional link down below along with the Discord. It's the best investment you could make in yourself. But this is a layer 2 built on Ethereum, and it's very impressive to see this type of volume. Robinhood Chain flips hyperliquid in 24-hour DEX of volume. Very, very impressive. And this is actually who Robinhood is going after. They're going after tokenized stocks. And when you look at what Hyperliquid's able to do with the perp market, now they're going to have very big competition with the Robinhood L2. More than 17 million transactions, nearly 350K people bridged and made addresses, 250 million in protocol TVL, and 1 billion plus in DEX volume. And the beauty of this, and where Base messed up, is that they are supporting meme coins. Vlad is supporting meme coins, the founder of Robinhood. And whenever you support meme coins, hey, you get a ton of volume, you get a ton of retail interest. But I do not believe this is a flash in the pan like Monad, like Mega ETH, because if you take a look at what Coinbase did, where they messed up was, one, they did not embrace the culture like Robinhood is doing. They're embracing meme culture. Whether you like it or not, there's no denying that they bring a ton of volume. On the flip side of things, when you take a look at the customer base, yes, Coinbase has a lot of customers and they integrated DEX capability, meaning you could buy any coin on Base from Coinbase.com. However, they also listed the competition in Solana, in Ethereum, everyone else. Why would you go to Base when you could trade on Solana? So they lost their moat. My prediction is, from the main Robinhood app, where I have an IRA, where I have an individual brokerage account, that they're also going to integrate a DEX capability where people can trade meme coins. They can trade anything built on the Robinhood L2. And so I'm very, very, very excited about this. There's some other plays that we're looking at right here. And as always, guys, when you come onto a new chain, you have to be extremely careful, right? A lot of scammers come, all of that. right? So just like anything in meme coins, you know, it's never financial advice, never risk more than you can afford to lose. We got in this early. We have exited after a breakdown of this trend line, took final profits. This is one that I would like another entry in. I think that every chain needs a Matt Fury character, and so I'm bidding a few. This was Hood Rat. I'm gonna look to get another entry in. I'm also in Andy right here, which we got in at around 30K market cap. So really I'm about break even right now. This is just relative to the time I deposited. But the most recent one that we have been looking at is actually this Hoppy one, which it's currently 300K market cap. And I don't know much about it, much about the team, but what I do know is that they are somehow involved or partnered with SHIB, because SHIB posted this 4 hours after Hoppy launched. And if you come over and take a look at who they are following, they follow the Hoppy over on Robinhood. And so I'm looking for what is going to be the standout, without a question of doubt, the Matt Fury play for Robinhood Chain, right? CashCat is obviously the cat, but we still got to find the dog, and we still got to find the Matt Fury character. And so is it going to be another frog? Is that where, you know, Hoppy could potentially come in? Or could it, you know, continue to be this Hood Rat character that a lot of people had not heard of in the Matt Fury narrative? Now, if you're not somebody that wants to go to FOMO or even join the Discord, this is a layer 2 built on Ethereum. And so it can easily be bridged base ETH, regular ETH, to Robinhood ETH when you are on Uniswap. And a lot of wallets already have integrated Robinhood, so just find the one that works best for you. But I'm extremely excited. Retail is coming back on chain, and Robinhood is going to facilitate that next wave of onboarding. So my bet is this is not a flash in the pan. This is here to stay, and I'm so excited to have the sentiment back, guys. So let me know, is there a Robinhood meme that I am missing? Let me know down in the comments below, and I can't wait to see you in the Discord and on FOMO. Watch this video up above, and if you're not a part of the Finance Freeman family, well, I'll see you there.